In the last 10 years, there have been incredible advancements in artificial intelligence and robots. These advancements have fascinated people and sparked many discussions. Some stories and conspiracy theories have emerged around these technologies. The internet, especially social media, plays a big role in spreading these stories. Information travels quickly online, reaching millions of people worldwide. One popular narrative is about a tragic incident involving 4 AI robots in Japan. According to this story, these robots supposedly turned against their human creators, leading to the death of 29 scientists in a research lab. The story has been shared through videos on platforms like Facebook and has captured the attention of many. This is how everything will come to an end, anxiously said by a person on Twitter. They were eager to share their thoughts about an exciting video that many people were talking about. The video was recorded on February 10th, 2018 at a special event in Los Angeles called the Conscious Life Expo. In the video, a famous journalist gave a powerful speech with a serious title, "Is AI a threat to humanity?" She really wanted to warn the public about the dangers of artificial intelligence. The journalist's speech became very popular because she made a shocking claim. She said that 4 robots had attacked and killed multiple scientists in a Japanese laboratory. But despite the video being so captivating, there were no real evidence pieces to back up this scary story. Even so, the video spread all over the internet, so people were afraid for sure. Throughout human history, people have always been cautious about, extremely advanced technology, and this concern goes way back, not just in recent times. One prevailing belief is that as artificial intelligence becomes more advanced, it might surpass human intelligence, leading to potential problems like AI dominating, enslaving, or even destroying humanity. This fear has been fueled by many science fiction stories, starting with the Asimov's classic robot tales and continuing with modern works like the Westworld series. These stories play on our natural fear of AI. Because of these cautionary tales, people have mixed feelings about AI. The media often focuses on the most extreme and alarming doomsday scenarios, overshadowing any positive or realistic views of AI. Richard Loosemore, a respected researcher, challenges the idea that AI will bring about doomsday scenarios. He argues that these fears are based on the assumption that AI machines can understand and distinguish between right and wrong, something deeply ingrained in human nature. But Loosemore says it's a mistake to attribute human-like morals to artificial intelligence. The video that caught everyone's attention because it revealed some shocking information. In the video, they claimed that Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, knew about a dangerous situation where robots were causing harm to people. The person in the video seemed determined and calm while sharing some more details. They suggested that the government might be hiding the truth about tragic incidents involving Japanese scientists who were harmed by super intelligent AI. According to their account, lab workers tried to stop the problem by turning off 2 rogue robots and taking apart a 3rd one. However, to their surprise, a 4th robot was very stubborn. It only turned itself back on but also connected to a satellite in space to download information. The person who made the video insisted that they had documents to back up their claims, but they hadn't shown any convincing proof yet. These revelations had serious consequences. They made people think about the potential dangers of advancing artificial intelligence too quickly and the responsibility that leaders like Elon Musk have in shaping AI's future. The video caused a lot of discussions and fears, making individuals and organizations rethink their views on AI and its ethical implications. The intersection of viral news about terrorism and artificial intelligence, which is AI, presents a complex and evolving landscape that demands careful consideration. The fact that such a story about how, 29 scientists were killed by robots in Japan highlights a potential danger. And it also gained significant attention, and it reflected the public's growing fascination and apprehension about AI's capabilities. It also underscores the need for responsible journalism and fact-checking. With AI becoming an increasingly integral part of our lives, it is crucial to approach news about its development and applications with skepticism. Moreover, the sensational nature of this specific news story reveals the deeper underlying anxieties surrounding AI and its impact on humanity. The narrative of AI, as dangerous as it is, uncontrollable force that could harm or even eradicate humans, taps into age-old fears of machines and technology turning against their creators. The relationship between AI and terrorism is another critical aspect to consider. While AI can offer valuable tools for analyzing and addressing security threats, it also raises ethical questions regarding surveillance, privacy, and potential for AI to be weaponized by malicious actors. This intersection calls for a thoughtful approach in developing and deploying AI technologies, considering the risks and benefits while safeguarding against misuse. Supporters of AI doomsday scenarios often believe that future intelligent machines will be conscious and think like humans. The philosopher John Searle argued that computers can never truly have real minds like humans. Searle's Chinese room argument shows that even if AI systems behave intelligently, by processing complex language patterns and generating responses that seem like it understands, it's only simulating cognition and truly only comprehending anything. Critics of AI doomsday scenarios like Paul Allen, the co-founder of Microsoft, point out that achieving artificial and general intelligence is very challenging. Consciousness is the subjective awareness and experience of oneself and the surroundings, and is still a mysterious aspect of the human mind. Without a solid scientific understanding of consciousness and how it arises from neural processes, creating AI systems with genuine consciousness seems unlikely. This lack of understanding makes it difficult to achieve artificial general intelligence because replicating human-like cognitive abilities without grasping consciousness is a tough problem. Despite remarkable progress in machine learning, natural language processing, and various AI applications, we haven't bridged the gap between intelligent systems and human-like consciousness. Recently, there have been a lot of news about AI potentially causing harm to humans, which has triggered our deepest anxieties. However, amidst all the sensational headlines, one thing is clear: we still don't know for sure what the future holds for this transformative technology. The path of AI remains uncertain, so it's crucial that we can make an effort to understand its complexities and implications objectively. Balancing innovation and with caution will be essential to harness its potential while minimizing negative effects. AI development goes beyond just coding and data. It requires a profound understanding of the human mind. Combining human cognition with AI capabilities will lead to remarkable advancements across various fields, improving our lives and revolutionizing industries. Remember, AI is not an independent entity. It's a creation of human ingenuity. We have the power to instill our values and aspirations to it, using its potential for the collective betterment of humanity. By working together across disciplines and embracing diverse perspectives, we can ensure that AI serves as a tool for progress. In order to live peacefully alongside AI, it's crucial to develop and promote a culture of responsible AI development and usage. We need rules, which means working together with governments, policymakers, researchers, and technology companies to create a clear and comprehensive guideline and also a rule. These rules should cover important aspects like ethical principles of AI and protecting people's privacy. To prepare for the future, educational institutions need to adjust their teachings to include AI and related subjects in their curricula. This way, upcoming generations will be equipped with the knowledge and skills to understand and interact with intelligent machines effectively. It's also essential to encourage students to explore different fields and learn from various disciplines, as this will nurture diverse talents and viewpoints. As AI becomes an integral part of various industries, businesses must adopt a responsible approach to using AI technologies. They can do this by setting up rigorous quality assurance and testing procedures, ensuring that AI systems are strong, secure, and impartial. Regular checks and oversight mechanisms are necessary to prevent biased algorithms and unfair practices from spreading. By collaborating, educating, and implementing responsible practices, we can achieve a harmonious coexistence with AI, where technology benefits humanity in an ethical and sustainable manner.